Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deposit cash into your SoFi account. First, open the SoFi app and sign into your SoFi Money account. On the Money homepage, tap the gear icon to open your account settings. Next, select Deposit Cash from the Manage Account screen. Now tap Find a Location to see nearby participating retailers. Before choosing a store, open the Filters menu and select Deposit Cash with Card. This makes sure the retailer accepts cash deposits using your SoFi Money MasterCard debit card. Once you arrive at the store, tell the cashier that you want to deposit cash through green dot using your SoFi Money MasterCard debit card. Let the cashier know how much cash you want to deposit, hand over the money, and swipe your debit card when requested. In most cases, your funds will appear in your SoFi Money account within about 15 minutes. However, some deposits may take up to 2 hours to become available. Keep in mind that Green Dot retail partners charge a service fee of up to $4.95 for each cash deposit. This fee is paid at the checkout when you complete your transaction, so be sure to have enough money to cover both your deposit and the service fee. Thanks for watching.